have this card.
You can cut it.
Minimum find the line there.
Yeah.
And now I want to play this like a kind of Flappy Bird.
Yeah.
It's look funny, that's why I want to play. Because you see, we can play both.
Yeah.
So I start playing now. What's the use with this?
Swipe it.
Where?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah. You see the black? Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Swipe it. Oh my god.
Oh, maybe this.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's not working.
It's working now. You can play. Start here. Yeah. Okay. Make sure don't die too soon, you know. Oh my god. Don't die too soon.
Oh.
Look at loser. Oh, loser.
Oh, can I play that one?
Yeah. I told you, don't die too soon.
This one across the street. So
Oh.
I choose this one.
Swipe again. Okay, press start on. Yeah. You have to learn to cross the street. Carefully. Die soon.
This is the real road, right?
Yeah. Oh. Oh my god. Look at loser again. I don't know. Looks like very tired, this one. Oh, it's $2.
What is it? I don't know.
It's $2 place.
Yeah, but
And we don't even know. Check it out. Check around.
Oh, I want to play that one.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, be careful that one, you know.
Oh, but this one is funny.
Oh, you're shooting the fish or what?
Oh, yeah.
I don't even know how to play. Oh, there are points here.
I want to play this.
It's $1. Just swipe the card. Yeah. The ball is coming. Hurry up. I think there is a time. Ooh. Okay. $4,000 points, 7,000 points. A lot of points.
Oh, fine.
Oh, 9,000 points. Oh my god.
I got fine.
And then what? Oh, 10,000. Or you move to next step or what? Or lose? Or game over? Game over? What? God.
I'm done. You want to play and then you play. And
Okay.
then I say,
Bye, she lose. She lost 3 times.
oh, what is this?
I don't know. Oh, Jurassic Park. What's that? Oh, shooting. I like it. Something.
How many? How much? How much?
I don't know. It doesn't say anything. Swipe on.
Swipe where? Is it correct?
Rebooting.
Oh, yeah.
It's reboot.
Is it?
Oh, it must shooting something.
Oh, in app.
Oh, it's. I think it's rebooting something. It's not. It's not suitable for playing.
Oh, okay. Oh, cost to play $2, money in.
Cost to play $2. That's okay. We have $2. But the thing is, it's rebooting. It seems like it doesn't work now.
Oh,
Oops.
God.
What's that?
Chop.
Oh
You're
my
so
God.
chop. I wanna play Flappy Bird again.
Yeah, you go and play again. She gonna play Flappy Bird again, and I hope this time she lasts a little bit longer.
This is a channel.
Channels.
Everything here is a scam.
I hope this time
I chose the red one this time.
this time you last longer, okay? Okay. Start. You press start first. Yeah. Patient, you know, patient. Oh my God, die again. 4:32, game over. Bye, see you tomorrow. Bye on.